Ever felt trapped in Tableau hell because your data source changed and you thought you had to rebuild everything? Fear not, because today, I'm going to show you how to swap out your Tableau data source like a pro, without breaking a sweat. Alright, let's jump straight in first. Make sure you're connected to your new data source. You can do this by clicking on Data, then New Data Source, and selecting the type of connection you need, whether it's Excel, SQL Server, or something else. Now, go back to the Data menu again. This time, find and click on Replace Data Source. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a dialog box appear in the current drop-down. Select the old data source you want to replace, then, in the Replacement drop-down, choose your new data source you just connected to. Tableau will attempt to automatically map the fields from your old data source to the new one, based on name and data type. Review these mappings carefully. If a field doesn't map correctly, manually select the correct field from the replacement data source using the drop-downs. This is key to ensuring your visualizations stay accurate. Once you're satisfied with the field mappings, click OK to apply the replacement. Then, thoroughly validate your workbook. Check your charts, graphs, and calculated fields to make sure everything is working as expected. Pay close attention to any errors or unexpected results and fix them by adjusting field mappings or updating calculations if necessary, and that's it. You've successfully replaced your data source in Tableau. Now go forth and conquer your data.